Hello guys, good morning. In the series of C programming, today I am going to show you how to reverse a linked list with the help of C programming. So this is basically data structure topic. So today I am showing how it is working and how we can write the code. So I am showing. So we will take one head where we will store the value whatever we want to store, and C. Um, this is the one linked list here, having four nodes. So first is head we are pointing, and the last element is pointing to the null. So this is how linked list with four nodes. Suppose we want to reverse linked list, then what we will do? We will firstly we will take a pointer, null pointer. We will take a pointer of name having previous, and we will point it to the null, and after that we will store the next value to this current next value. So like that, address of current is pointing to the next of the element, and again I will update current of next. I will update with the previous current of next will be update with the previous. So we like that we can point to the each element, and this is third slide. Again we will update previous is equal to current. We will update previous is equal to current, so our current will be updated as the previous, and the current will be updated to the next. And in we will in step third we will use node third. See, node third, because we are reversing, so we will update next pointer of current node, this next pointer of the current to the previous of one node. And the loop will be we will apply loop, and it will apply to the whole third number, then will the node 4 number. So like that we will update. In last step we will work with the node 4. So what we will do, we will update the previous. This was the previous, but we will update with the current. So current will point to this time, and the current will be point to the next. This one current will the point to the next, and we will update next pointer of node 3 to the previous of node 2. After that, in fifth iteration, step 5, the previous will be stored as a current. In previous we will store current, and in the current we will point to the next, this next, and the next point to the null, and next it is pointing to null. And after that we will update the next pointer of current node 4 to the previous of the node 3, this, and the null will get separated, and null is pointed to the node 1. So what we are doing, again we are showing with the some steps. Firstly we initialize three pointers, previous we will initialize as a null, current we will initialize as a head, and the next we will initialize as a null. And we iterate through the linked list in a loop, do the following. Store the next of the node we will store as the current of next. What is the current of next? It's showing. We'll store in the next we will store current of next, and we will update next point of current to the previous, and we will update previous is equal to current, because we want to reverse, and current is equal to next. So what are we doing? The next thing we are updating with the current, and current with the previous. So like this we will do. So I am going with the C compiler. So what I have done, this thing I will show. Control plus. So has include StudioH, and for malloc, using malloc things, we are taking standard library.h, and we are taking one node, struct node, where we are storing some data, and we will point node to the next of the element. This is there. And we will um, take a node with the name of reverse, and in reverse we will point to the head. Okay, and as I already told that we will slice previous is equal to null, and current, the head will point to the current, and the next will point to the null. So this is the some scenario for reverse, and we will apply one loop, because it will go all through all the nodes, whatever nodes we want to take. So I have just I have shown. So I will apply one while loop, so it will go one by one loop. So where was the huh so we will apply if current is not null. We have to check till the current is not null. So what we will do, we will store in the next, in the next is equal to current of next. In the next, we are storing current of next, and in current of next we are storing previous, and the previous we are storing current, and the current we are storing next. So the same thing we have applied in the loop. In the next, we are applying current of next, and current of next is pointing to the previous, and the previous will point to the current, and the current will point to the next, and after that we will return some previous value. So this is the way of writing the reverse node. And after that, if we want to, after that if we want to push the element, some element, then we will push the element, and then we will print that list. So whatever in pushing, what we require some another head, and we data we want to put. For that we use some node, new node, and we initialize the node with the malloc and the size of struct, and there we store the data value. This thing I will show you in the next video in the detail form how it is working, and how to print the list, and this with the main function how we will reverse the linked list. So and this is all for this video. In the next video I will show you how to put the data with the reverse linked list that we have created. So that's all for today. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel, so you can get updated with the latest video. Thanks.